First, click Window from the menu bar. From the list, select Dockers, then click AI Generator. The AI Docker will open. You will see two options, Create Image and Remix Image. Choose Create Image. Type your prompt in the box. For example, children playing with a rabbit. After typing your prompt, pick an AI tool from the options and click Generate. The image will appear in a few moments. If you want to merge another image, right-click it and choose Remove Background. The AI will remove the background automatically, and the image is ready to merge with the first one. For later use, select both images and convert them to bitmap format. To try the image as a mockup, select it and click Image Remix. Enter your prompt, choose the AI tool, and click Generate. You will see the design on a mug and a leather bag. To restore an old photo, add the image and type your restoration prompt. Click Generate, and within seconds, the photo will be restored and colorized, ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.